It's so cold outside.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's Adonis. Now today we're gonna be doing some Honda, you can say maintenance. We just finished doing the oil and the oil filter on this car, so we did the maintenance. Now I have a problem with the brake light. Jay, come in the front of the car. I press the brakes. The brakes is the middle one, not the, okay? The middle one, girl, don't rev it. All right?
Rev it? Okay.
No. All right. So now you're gonna see in the back over here, my tail light is out. The car only has 9,000 miles in it, and the brake light is already out. It's ridiculous, bro. Anyways, go in the car, press the brakes. Let go. Press it. Let go. Press. Let go. Press it. So you can see. Let go. See how that one blinks? Press it again. Again. And this one does it. Press it again. See? It doesn't work. So what we gotta do, basically, you can get out. So this car is not like the sedan. So basically what we have to do is, because it's a sedan model, if you guys know, you guys could go in here and actually take this panel off. And once you take the panel off, the bulb is easy to access, and you can take it out and change the bulb. Alright, with this car, it's not like that. So basically you got to take... Oh my god. Jay, come here, I need help. Hold the trunk up, because it's going to fall. Over here, over here. Right over. So you got to take these two screws off. There's one here and one here. So you got to take the whole headlight assembly off just to change the freaking brake light bulb on this car, which is ridiculous. So we're gonna do that now. Jay, hold this too. I think it's like an 8mm, but I'm gonna use a screwdriver just at the same time. Size of it. Make sure we got the right size. There we go. Recording? Yeah. You see everything? Make sure you use an 8mm, don't use a screwdriver. Whatever. Hopefully it's just these two screws. We're gonna find out in a minute. Yep. Pull it out. Oh wait. You can see? Give it a flashlight. So you gotta take this whole assembly off. Alright, you looking at my face? Look at my face. You gotta take this whole assembly off just to freaking change the light bulb. Look in here. See? There's no way to access it from the back in here. You seen that? Look at that. There's no way to access from the inside over here, what I'm talking about. You can't access it like the sedan. So that's the only thing good about the sedan. The coupes, you have to take this whole assembly off, which we're about to change the bulb off right now. Hold this. So we're going to change the bulb. The bulb's over here. Let me see if I can get it. I don't want to break anything. Twist. So it's basically a twist motion. Put the light over here. Up. You see? So basically it's a twist motion, and then it basically pulls out. Press the brakes real quick. One side. Press the brakes. Press it, the middle one. Press it. See how it doesn't work? So that's how you know we have no brake light out, which I got a new one. I went to Honda, where I bought the car at, basically, to basically get a light bulb, because the AutoZone supposedly didn't have it. I don't understand, because it's like a simple light bulb or whatever. So I got mine in Honda. Got it wrapped up in here because I didn't want to break it. Look at it right there. I don't want to touch the bulb. All right, so let's go over here. Hold the camera again, Jay. Switch this bulb. This is the new one. I'm quick. Take this ball over here. Twist off. Don't really want to touch too much. Jay, go inside. Brakes again. See if it works. See if this is the cause of my problems. Yep, there we go. Working brake light. See, 9,000 miles in this car, and the brake light is out. It's freaking ridiculous. Anyways, now let's reinstall this the same way we put it back. So basically, put the light over here. You're gonna wanna basically put in, and then twist back on. Twist it, and it's locked. So make sure it's locked. Jay, go inside, press the brakes again, so they can see that it's working now. Press it. There, see? Let go. Press it again. See? Now it's working. Nice. Come on back. Let's reinstall this back. Hold the camera, please. Now let's reinstall this. I'm gonna push it back over here. No, but it has these points. Look over here. It has these points over here that you gotta put on those holes. So make sure you line everything up the way it's supposed to. That goes there. Is there another one over there? And there. So make sure you put those clips on. So now this shit's gonna come on quick. For some reason, it's not lining up straight. So let's try this again. Push in, there you go. So basically you gotta push in. Once you push in, look. Yeah. Here, the corner sticks in. So now it's good. That's how you do it the right way. There you go. It's like the weirdest shit to change a freaking brake light bulb, a signal light also. Hand tight this. Tighten it. Okay. And there you go. So that's how you do a brake light in a 10th gen Civic Si, but the coupe version, because the 4-door is different. So that's how you do it. So if this video helped you any way, shape, or form, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you're new, and make sure you stay tuned for more 10th gen content.